You see, if you can remember what I had told you some time back, see, whenever we are investigating any case, our objective is to gather all relevant facts, and for gathering relevant facts, whatever is necessary is done. And investigation is not only a linear exercise, it is a bundle of activity. During investigation, a number of activities are undertaken, which may include forensic examination of the scene, forensic examination of the evidence which is available, or any other forensic appreciation of the evidence. So there is nothing new in what has been done in this case, or what is going to be done in this case. So it is part and parcel of any investigation effort which is done on scientific lines, and there is nothing to be read in this.
Sir, there was similarity in the statement given by Shashi Tharoor and the three people whose polygraphic test has been sought by the Delhi police. Will you be also asking a polygraphic test of Shashi Tharoor?
You see, in this regard, I will like to say that investigation is as per an action plan, and investigating officer keeps on reviewing his evidence which he gathers during investigation, and whatever is necessary is done. So at this juncture, I will not like to speculate, but there is nothing to be read in this. I can only assure you of that.
Bhavtosh is joining us on the story. Bhavtosh, we just heard Delhi Police Commissioner B.S. Bassi talking about the latest revelation in the case, and one by one the lies are all crumbling, because even the SIT has now said that three crucial witnesses, one the driver of Tharoor's, one the domestic help of Tharoor, and also Tharoor's close friend Sanjay Devan, are trying to mislead the probe and lying.
Yes, in fact, this is for the first time that SIT has officially submitted any court document in which they have come up with their finding. It's been 4 months since they started the probe in this case, and they completely now say that the eyewitnesses in this case are more of suspects. Now, the reason why they are saying so is because there are inconsistencies in their answers. They have, in fact, supported what Shashi Tharoor was saying. The damning bit are 2 points. One, A, that there was a power cut or there was electricity failure in a five-star hotel, a room where Sunanda's body was found. And second, Tharoor always maintained that the reason why they went to five-star hotel was because there was some repair work going in their house. The investigation by the police has now revealed that the construction work got over on 15th, and there was no need for the couple to shift to a five-star hotel. Because their answers have not been forthcoming, that the police has decided to send the three eyewitnesses to a polygraph test. In fact, the police believes, if you read between the lines, that they are more of a suspect who are helping Shashi Tharoor rather than helping the police in the investigation.
And that is a big development. Calling for a lie detector test on these three crucial witnesses would mean that there is a strong note that the SIT has taken on their statements also. Bhavtosh, be with us, because we do have a reaction from the MOS Somkiran Rijiju.
Delhi Police SIT has sent a request for polygraph test on key witnesses in the Sunanda Pushkar death case. They are saying that the suspects are lying. What do you have to say on that?
Delhi Police is following the norms, whatever is necessary for the case. But if I give a comment on the case, it will not be proper in terms of getting the case to their logical conclusion. So I would not like to comment on that.